Well, good morning to you. We're looking at current temperatures in the 20s and the 30s there, holding on to those low 30s right now up to about 33 degrees. We'll get into the fog that's out there, though. That's a huge difference. Look at that, Menominee. Wow. That still continues to hold on there. Zero visibility out there. That means dense fog for you in areas by Menominee. You get into the folks that are on the roads right now, so take it slow. That truck was going pretty fast. Holding on to Alaska, you're looking at 5 miles of visibility here, so patchy fog here for you. And of course, you're looking at 26 degrees. We go into near Toma, where you're looking at 23 degrees out here as well. A little bit of fog out there right now. And then whatever that is on the lens there, that's something new that wasn't there earlier. We may see something coming into the forecast. We've had some mist this early morning as well. La Crosse has some mist out there currently. You have the fog out there by the river. You get into Winona, calm conditions out there, but fog is still holding on there. You get up to Eau Claire, light winds out there right now. A little bit of patchy fog out there for you too. And of course, it's 26 degrees. We'll hold on how this all shapes up with the cloud cover starting to move in up by Rusk County. We're seeing overcast conditions there, but for everybody else, we've got some mostly cloudy skies and cloudier skies right now, but we'll give way to rainfall coming in off the Pacific, working up into Canada as well. We're then working up from the south. You see from the Gulf of Mexico, we had some pretty much some rainfall moving in from there, and that continues to get shuttled up all the way up to the Midwest here, getting into Indiana as well as Illinois, right into areas by Ohio as well. That's going to get closer to us as we go through the next couple of days. Holding on to this as we roll right through the day, you're going to hold on to those temperatures in the 30s as we roll through the morning. By the time we get in the afternoon and evening hours, you're looking at 40s and 50s. Then it gets to break down gradually. We start to cool you back down to the 30s. Thursday in the morning, you're looking at mostly your lows for the 30s. So that's a little bit on the comfortable side. Normally at this time of year, we're around, say, the middle 30s to upper 30s in the forecast. Holding on to at least as you get in the 9 o'clock hour for Thursday, rainfall starts to bubble up, but mostly it tries to go towards Prairie du Chien, but tracks all the way out towards Madison and then out towards the lake. As that happens, we'll also find ourselves getting into this. More snowfall trying to get back into the forecast by 2:30 in the morning for Friday. Then it starts to get into light to moderate showers popping in as we go right into the 5 o'clock hour in the morning. 5:30, you can see that continuing on all the way back in with more rainfall cutting back in by the 9 o'clock hour, coming up from the south, working up mostly down to the south, light to moderate showers potentially with more showers on the way as we go in the 5 o'clock hour to finish out the day as well. So that continues on with more snowfall and rainfall up to the north, but you're looking at heavy rainfall potential as we go into the 9 o'clock hour for thunderstorm activity. Not out of the question. That could be possibly it. Black River Falls all the way to Sparta, right back down to Viroqua and getting down into Crawford County as well to finish out there. You're seeing for La Crosse, you've got some shower potential coming in, but you're also seeing the rainfall and snowfall mix getting closer up there. You see it on the northern tier of the snowfall for Wisconsin, but you're seeing mostly rainfall. Moderate rainfall continues on all the way as we go through Saturday morning with the potential for rain and snow up to the north there, and then snowfall starts to work its way down gradually as we go right into the 10 o'clock hour in the morning. Highs for Wednesday, 50s, widespread. You can see that again as well. Holding on to highs for Thursday, where you're looking at least 40s, pretty much widespread, maybe a couple of upper 30s in there as well, but for right now, that'll back off. Holding on to Friday's highs, you're seeing 40s pretty much to the 60-degree mark, probably around 61, 62 degrees. Then that rainfall turning into snowfall and possibly, again, heavy rainfall in the forecast as well. Possibility of low tornadoes, it's a low chance of that happening. We're also seeing a low chance of that getting into areas of flooding as well. We're also finding ourselves with large hail, possibly into that, getting into high winds as well. As we finish out going into the next few days, we're going to be getting into some rainfall. The amounts you can see up to about 1.5 inches or less in the forecast, and that continues to go widespread. We'll also find ourselves getting into this rain and snow possibly as we get into the forecast. You see it brushing the northern tier of Wisconsin as well as Minnesota. That continues on as we roll right through it for Friday and Saturday rainfall, getting into the forecast, holding on to the possibility is this. We roll right back into it over the next few days. You'll get into a chance of some shower activity on the way. Back to you.